Perfect. Welcome back to Chef This Soul TV News. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to comment if you have anything to say. Don't forget to also share the video if you find the video informative. So, guys, siniphathele ke izindaba ke ezithe ukuhlukahlukana ke uyabo ngokwegaba zazo. So, namhlanje nje soniqalela ngodaba ke lapha ke olithinta kakhulukazi ke umama lo osanda kushiya emhlabeni ke uZanele Mbokazi. So kahle asigxilile kakhulu kuyena kodwa we focusing on ama awards, as we know ukuthi ke kunama 7th gospel or 7th crown gospel awards ebekumele ke abe khona ke even na this year. So ke abantu ke bayayibuza for sure, bayiphendula ukuthi ke ngabe ama awards ke asazokwazini ke ukuhlala ngedate ayebizelwe ukuthi ke azohlala ngayo. So the 7th gospel awards will go ahead as planned ke according to some of the sources as we find them. So kuthiwa ke azokwazi ukuthi ke aqhubeke ama Crown Gospel Awards despite the passing of founder uZanele Mbokazi Nkambule ngomhla ka 12 August. We remember ke into entsha ke leyo eyenzeke kuyona lenyanga. So reported by Chisa Live, the nominations are for coveted awards have officially opened, and the awards ceremony will take place later this year. So I think kuyoba la ko September kanje ekuyisona sikhathi ekuvamise ukuthi ke wona lama awards ahlali ngaso. So speaking to the publications, creative director and head choreographer of the Crown Gospel Awards Siyanda Mohadla said the show must go on. Yabo okusokala ukuthi ke even besho kanjalo angeke ke kusenzeka lutho, yabo akukho kunye ke okuzokuye kwenzeke ngaphandle kokuthi ke ama awards aqhubeke ngendlela bese kusethwe ngayo, yabo. So that means lento ifana nomshado bafethu asazoqhubeka ama awards. So ukucaphuna nje yena lapha ukuthi yes uyavuma lapha ukuthi ke the 7th Crown Gospel Awards will be hosted this year, and nominations are open. We also have nominations from beyond our borders. The show must go on and we are doing that. Everything is going accordingly. We aren't postponing the award ceremony, and we urge people not to listen to ama gossip. So bafethu basho kanjalo ke lapha ngenzeka ukuthi bakhona abaphikisayo lokuthi cha ama awards njoba ke kwenzeke lento eyenzakalile ngeke ezabe khona nani. No, ama awards ke kuthiwa azoba khona this year, the Crown Gospel Awards lawa ke isikhuluma ngawo. Zanele Mbokazi Nkambule passed away, as we know, this year because of cancer, and she was diagnosed with kahle ke lung cancer, yabo. Lokho ke kutholakala ngayo ke uApril. Sesenzela ke nje ukukusamarizela even ngisho ne cause noma ke nokushona kwakhe, yabo. So konke lokho ke icancer caused the shortness of ukuphefumula kwakhe, and then ke lokho kwagcina ke kumholela ekuthenini ke kube severe. She ended up on passing away because ngenxa yaso leso simo. Anyways bafethu, ngiyocela ucomment la kwi-section if you have anything to say malana nalolu daba lwama Crown Gospel Awards. If ukunabantu nawo ofisayo ukuthi angathi ke bengakwazi ke ukungenelela kuona ke ama awards lawa, you can send mhlambe ke lezo zinto ekuthiwa zisendini ama nominations nani ke kuthiwa ke kusabhizi ke kudilwa nazo zonke lezo zinto. Ngibonga kakhulu ngakhohlwa ukulike le video.